Hi everyone! Welcome back to Arpita Tutorial. I'm Preet and today I'm super excited to show you how to create a cute hand embroidery of a kitty cartoon on a plain t-shirt. If you've got a simple t-shirt at home and want to make it unique and adorable, this project is perfect for you whether you're a beginner or love adding handmade touches to your clothes. Here's what we'll need. A plain cotton t-shirt embroidery hoop. Needle and threads pink, white, green and red. Fabric marker. And of course our cute kitty design. Now, let's place the fabric into the hoop to keep it nice and tight. This helps with clean stitching. I'm using a back stitch for the outline, sateen stitch for the bow, French knots for the little details. I'll guide you step by step, so follow along. Adding a few tiny flowers around Kitty to make it even cuter. Feel free to get creative with your colors. And that's it, our adorable hand-embroidered kitty t-shirt is ready. Isn't it the cutest? Let me know in the comments what cartoon you'd like me to embroider next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your creative friends. And hit the bell icon so you never miss a new idea from Arpita Tutorial. Thanks for watching and keep creating with me. Radhe Krishna, bye bye.